Danny.
Are they gonna do that, like launch everybody?
No, they'll it's just gonna be like, okay, big bikes on the track, and I'll probably get onto the track, go over to the start, and then practice when launches. How to separate it so they like little bikes, big bikes.
It'll be really fast. You can hold him still.
No, it's missing something else.
Is that like me on mine?
Yeah. Brought my kid out here to Preston, Idaho his first time. He's scared as hell. As you can hear, all these bikes, there he goes. Hanging out with my little buddy Lita. Being family man, being cameraman. Making YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
That's what I'm talking about. I don't have my wide angle, so you guys are right up my nose right now. Time for the joke of the day. Brought to you by Link Tie Weaver.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting dog.
Interrupt. Well then. We're out here in Preston, Idaho. Silent's first time riding a bike. How do you feel, bud?
Nervous.
You got this.
Believe in you.
What's up, Dirty Dan? How's it going? Go for it, bud. What do you think?
That was awesome, except the dirt is super wet though.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, keep your feet on your pegs and stand up and just give it more gas. It'll be easier. The faster the better.
Okay.
Yeah, dude, believe it or not, like squeezing with your legs, it helps so much.
Okay.
Makes a world of difference.
The only thing I jumped is kind of like over there at the finish line.
Yeah, those little whoops.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold your hand out. Let's see if you're shaking.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh yeah, we got adrenaline. That's why we're out here. So now it's time for what happened in this day in history. Today is July 2nd, 2019. I'm saying that because really today that I'm recording this is June 29th. That means I do have to edit and upload this thing. But anyway, July 2nd, 1850. Leonardo da Vinci is said to have originated the respirator concept when he suggested that a finely woven cloth be dipped into water to protect sailors from a toxic powder weapon that he had created. But on July 2nd, 1850, Benjamin Lane of Cambridge in the county and state of Massachusetts received the first U.S. patent number for a self-contained breathing apparatus called the gas mask. Now let's get back to some of that sick dirt bike action.
Idaho. This is the funnest time of my whole entire life. It's my first time on a real dirt bike track. It was so fun. It had like the amazing jumps on there. The dirt was amazing. It was amazing. I loved it.
What?
Now we should get back, which is the worst part. Gotta unload everything.
Back to reality.
Back to reality.